Welcome to your Xuda account dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your Xuda experience. Here, you can access various features and tools designed to help you streamline your workflows and maximize productivity. As you look at the screen, notice the clean layout and intuitive design that makes navigation easy. The dashboard is organized into sections that provide you with quick insights and access to your most important tasks. This overview sets the stage for a more detailed exploration of what Xuda has to offer. To customize your Xuda experience, start by navigating to the settings. On the screen, you can see the Profile Settings section, which allows you to update your personal information and preferences. This is where you can manage your account details, change your password, and adjust notification settings. Having easy access to your settings helps ensure that your Xuda experience is tailored to your needs. So go ahead and take a moment to explore these options and make any necessary adjustments. Next, let's take a look at your notifications. The notification screen is designed to keep you informed about important updates and messages related to your account. As you observe the screen, you will see a list of alerts and notifications that require your attention. This feature is crucial for staying updated on any changes or actions needed on your part. Take a moment to review these notifications to ensure you don't miss anything important as you navigate your Xuda experience. If you ever need assistance, Xuda makes it easy to access support. On the screen, you can see the support section, where you can find helpful resources, FAQs, and contact options. This is your go-to place for troubleshooting and guidance as you familiarize yourself with the platform. Having support readily available ensures that you can tackle any challenges you encounter while using Xuda. Don't hesitate to reach out for help if you need it. Another essential feature is your email section. Here, you can manage and review communications from Xuda. The screen displays your inbox, highlighting messages that may contain important updates or information. Staying on top of your emails is vital for maintaining a smooth workflow. Take a moment to check for any messages that require your attention, ensuring that you are always informed about your account activities and updates. Now let's explore the Drive feature within Xuda. The Drive screen is where you can store and manage your files efficiently. As seen on the screen, you can upload, organize, and access your documents easily. This feature enhances collaboration and ensures that all your important files are at your fingertips. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Drive interface, as it will be an essential tool for your daily tasks. Finally, let's take a look at the developer options available in Xuda. This section is designed for users who want to integrate Xuda with other applications or customize their experience further. The screen displays tools and resources for developers, making it easier for you to enhance your workflows. If you are interested in exploring these technical features, don't hesitate to dive in and see what possibilities await you. This could be a great way to tailor Xuda to fit your exact needs.